I want everybody that touches this business to feel like they're actually at home. My really number one value from the beginning was to make sure that anybody that came to us was looked after in the same way. I believe in making sure that every one of our clients that comes through this door pays the lowest amount of money for the lifetime of their mortgage. For me, it's about them feeling comfortable, feeling like they can ask anything and no question is stupid.
Every client is different. Every client has a different story to tell. Some people are really struggling at the minute. Some people are finding life better, but all of them have a different approach. All of them have different objectives. All of them need a different solution. Believe it or not, there's over 100 lenders in the UK who you could go to a mortgage for. Each of those has tens or hundreds of products. There are thousands of products out there. They change every single day. We will review all those thousands of products to find the right product for that particular client. It is a mortgage minefield out there, and anybody new to it, you will get lost. That's our job. This is what we do day in, day out. We'll find the best solution for them.
It's about communicating and really giving your clients the options, explaining to them, and therefore that's why they come back to us and they stay with us. They don't go elsewhere.
I completely trust them. I think if they gave any advice, I know that it's absolutely categorically correct.
We dealt a lot directly with Monica, and as the business has grown, we've dealt with different people, but they all have the same approach, same attitude. All different people, but they all have that same ethos.
A lot of companies, they just do it. They take lots of tick boxes. Monica goes over and above tick boxes. She's always happy to support, sponsor, look out for somebody.
We were recommended to Monica by one of my customers, funny enough. It was really, really simple. So booked an appointment, came down Monica, had a cup of tea with her, had a chat about everything, run through some figures, spoke to my accountant, got some paperwork together. Before you know it, Monica's popping up with mortgage approvals of who we'd get a mortgage with and how much we could borrow. Whenever we needed any reassurances or questions about anything, Monica would always answer it. Plenty of communication. Whenever you need to know anything, they're there.
I'm not interested in a one-off transaction, get them the mortgage offer and wave goodbye. It's very much about having a long-term relationship so that they'll come back and work with us time and time and time again over many years. We give tailored, bespoke advice to every single client. We're not just going to put them in the machine at one end, mortgage offer come out the other. We're going to find them the absolute best solution for their particular circumstances.
They're good for advice, because at one point we were thinking about selling. So I had a chat with James and I said, what are your views on it? Do you think this is a silly thing to do or a great thing, or what should we do? Because we had a few options, didn't we, to do? And he just gave great advice.
We look to make sure that they're financially resilient, so we make sure we're putting insurance in place so that in the event of any unforeseen circumstances, sickness, accidents, that they're covered. So we get to know our clients really over the long term. So whatever eventuality hits that client, we're there for them at the other end of the phone, and that's really bespoke to using a broker.
I think she was just saying about, have you thought about income protection and things like that, because being self-employed. So it was just all the sensible stuff. And I'll be honest with you, I wasn't going to do it. I'm not going to say Monica pushed me into it, but she just laid out the facts, which does make you think again. So yeah, we took out the insurance with the critical illness, and I was diagnosed, I think November 2020, hit like a ton of bricks, and I could barely even say the word cancer. Scared the life out of me. And I just remembered we've got the policy. So I rang up Royal London, spoke to the fella. He said back to me, I want to speak to the consultant, I need some paperwork through, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be transferring the money into your nominated account. And when you said anything, sorry, what did you say?
People feel very safe from the first time they hit the company because we make them feel safe. It's a very special relationship actually between a broker and a client.
I do hope that we continue the working relationship.
Well, we will do, because otherwise it'll end in divorce if we don't.